snappy and green, marching along in a jungle scene. B is for bear, big and bold, dancing around in the chilly cold. C is for cat, who purrs all day, chasing butterflies in the hay. D is for dog, so happy and loud, wagging his tail and barking proud. E is for elephant, stomping feet, spraying water to beat the heat. F is for fox, so clever and sly, peeking from bushes as birds fly by. G is for giraffe, tall and sweet, nibbling leaves with giant feet. H is for horse, galloping fast, kicking up dust as he trots past. I is for iguana, sunning on rocks, wearing scales like spiky socks. J is for jaguar, sneaky and quick, jumping through trees with a silent flick. K is for kangaroo, bounce, bounce, bowling with a baby in her pouch, ready to spring. L is for lion, the king with a roar, guarding the savannah forevermore. M is for monkey, silly and wild, swinging on vines like a jungle child. N is for newt, tiny and shy, peeking from puddles when clouds cry. O is for owl, wide-eyed and wise, hooting softly under starry skies. P is for penguin, waddling proud, sliding on ice and laughing loud. Q is for quail, so quick and neat, tiptoeing gently with tiny feet. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast, zooming through fields and zipping past. S is for snake, slithering slow, wiggling softly wherever you go. T is for tiger, striped and strong, tiptoeing through the trees all day long. U is for urchin, spiny and small, hiding in seaweed near the wall. V is for vulture, gliding so high, watching the world from up in the sky. W is for whale, big and blue, singing sea songs just for you. X is for x-ray fish, shiny and thin, you can see its bones through its skin. Y is for yak with shaggy hair, climbing mountains with chilly air. Z is for zebra, zigzag stripe, running through grasslands full of life.